The polar bear, this 1,000-pound predator, roams the high Arctic on a constant quest for food. When hunting, their sense of smell first leads them towards their prey, but research shows as they close in, the hunter switches to sound. With enlarged eardrums, they tune in to low-frequency noises. Like the walrus, male bearded seals perform extraordinary underwater love songs. Females listen in from above. But they're not the only ones tuning in. Even with padded feet, polar bears are too heavy to conceal their footsteps. So the bear has an ingenious way of using the soundscape to hunt. Moving under the cover of lapping waves and creaking ice. But the seal's sharp ears put her on high alert. This time, the predator comes up, empty-handed. Polar bears only need to make a kill once every 10 days to remain healthy, so he'll be back to try again.